Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today on this video, the reason I'm making it is because I want to share with you the reason I have got for creating this channel, for creating information on security systems and advice. And it's because I'm actually creating my own security system brand. I've been in development for a good few months now, creating the product. The hardware has been made. There's a few final snags on the software that we're going through now to finish off and get correct before we actually take the product live, which I'm hoping to be in around about 3 months, around March time, but it keeps getting pushed back, as is the way of the world when it comes to creating anything. I originally thought I'd be able to have it out in February. It's now March, and let's see. Hopefully it's before April, but we'll find out. The system will be called the Godfather, or the Godfather Security System. I just think it's a great name. I really like it, and I think it's a bit of a relatable name. I just think it's quite memorable, and I think it's a good name for a brand for a security system. I've been in the security game now for over 10 years. I work in a local company in the northwest of England called HGVS. My mum and dad started the business over 30 years ago now, and I'm 32, so at the time I was basically just born, and he started this business. My dad, who had no prior experience in alarms, is just very technically minded. Him and my mum needed to find a new source of income. They had a greengrocers, and that did well until a big Tesco supermarket opened nearby and killed their business pretty much overnight. And my dad told me that he realised he needed to do something new when, at the end of close one day, he didn't have enough money to purchase the produce for the next day. So then he realised he's got to do something new, and he's got to get out there quick and learn how to do something. He's always very good at taking his hands to things, better than me, to be honest. Technically minded, no problem in saying that. He went to a local alarm store and had a chat with the guy there, and the guy gave him some equipment, and he spent the next week figuring it out, seeing how it worked, and then started a business, started to install things, and started to install these intruder alarm systems. My mum would do the admin side with all the customer information and keep all the details. I'll even today sometimes go to customers' houses and they'll say to me, I remember when your mum and dad had the greengrocers. Now, our office is still next door to where that greengrocers was, but of course I don't remember anything about that shop. I was a baby. So I came into the game, like I said, about just over 10 years ago, and it's been a great business. It's been really fun to work in. It's always enjoyable working with my family. We get on great. We're a close family. But in recent times, we have been doing fine, and the business is doing well. But the world is changing, and that's why I'm now going on this journey, and I've created my own. The issue with the local business is it's difficult to scale. There are not many engineers who are actually good at being an engineer and being reliable. It's difficult to scale that business, and that comes with a lot of risk. Now things are much more accessible for people to be able to do themselves in terms of a DIY system. They can be guided through it quite easily, and that's the angle I'm coming at it from. A much more personal approach than some of the big boys who are out there, say Ring and Google and all those players who have their own DIY systems out now. And I'm sure they work great. I've got no experience with them. Limited experience, I should say. I've always installed the established brands such as Texacom, Ajax, I'd call an established brand now, even though it hasn't been out long. Risco, Visonic, even though I'm not going to say anything bad about any other alarm brand. But the reason I've created what I've created is because I do think there's a genuine gap in the market for a product that is easy to use, simple, and that I can guide people through on in how to install the system, how to maintain the system, and how to use the system. The thing I've noticed with a lot of DIY alarm brands is usually they go quite hard on the subscription model, and there are some major players out there who, if you don't pay that monthly fee, you lose a lot of features out on your intruder alarm. Now, I have no interest in doing that. That's not the angle I want to take. I want to take the angle of, you can buy your security system. I will show you how to set it up. I will be on the other end of the phone if you need any help setting it up. And then once it's done and dusted, you have full control over it, full control over the app, and I'm not going to hold anything back. Now, there are going to be additional subscription options if you want them, such as going to a central monitoring station. If you want someone to be on the phone 24/7 if there is an alarm activation at your home or business, then of course I will offer these services, because some people require them and some people want them, but nothing will be forced upon you in terms of a payment plan, or if you don't pay for this monthly fee, you won't have the app. There's major brands, and I can think of one of the biggest ones now, who, if you don't pay their monthly fee, your app doesn't really work. And that's certainly not how they sell it, and I won't name them because, my God, I don't want to end up getting letters through my door. But this is all too common a practice I've found in the space, and I believe that there's a market and there's a niche for me to go in there with a much more personal touch and the ability to contact me and put a face to the brand and be able to say, this is what I've created, this is what I've designed, I believe in it, and I believe that this will do just as I've said, and I'm here to help if ever you need me. I'm also going to include a 60-day money-back guarantee on the system. No questions asked. If it doesn't work the way you want it, send it me back. I'll give you your money back, and I'll pay for the returns, just to make sure people feel comfortable in paying for the system and trying it, since it's going to be new. There's a lot of people now who don't really have the money and want to spend £1,500 on a security system. I understand why. It's a lot of money to spend. I can now build a system, and you can now build a system through my website, which will tell you exactly what to do and exactly how to design your system, exactly what you will want specifically, and how to decide what you want. And you will be able to get a full system for, maybe £300 to £500, depending on what you need, depending on the size, depending on how complex you want to go with it. But you'll be able to do pretty much anything with that kind of purchase at the moment. And I just think that gives people such an opportunity to, if they want to protect their home, protect their family, protect their business with a security system, but they can't afford the traditional ways of doing it, it gives them that option to go for the DIY system, knowing that they can take their hand to it. And a lot of the devices, you'll have the choice whether you use your drill and drill things on, or just stick it on with the sticky pads that will be provided. The external sounder is pretty much the only thing that you're going to have to drill on, because you can't put that on with sticky pads, unfortunately. But other than that, it's going to be really straightforward and anyone can do it. And I'm going to have all the how-to videos on how to install every piece of equipment. So, if you'd like to follow this journey, please give the video a like and maybe subscribe. And I'll keep you up to date with how the project is going, how the business is developing. I'll also continue to release videos on things like FAQs that are in the sector, as I have been doing at the moment, such as burglar alarm myths or CCTV mistakes to avoid, just to give people a general overview. And if someone has an interest in the industry at all, they can watch these videos, or maybe they've made some of these mistakes on their own setup, and these easy ways that I'm showing how to fix them can be implemented into people's own systems. Even just things that they might want, if they've already got a system installed by an installer, they might watch a video, see something on it that they want to then question their installer about, just to ask, does my alarm or does my CCTV have this feature? So I believe it's got something for everyone, including the installers themselves. So that's my story. That's why I've created what I've created. That's why I have started this channel, and I will continue to try and put out content that is of use to as many people as possible. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. My name's Simon Gillam, and the Godfather security system will be released soon. So please give me a like and subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next one.